It's me, Marcus, and today we will be making, soda bread. And what you will need is your bowl and rubber spatula, a loaf pan with vegetable oil spray on it, coated in it on the inside. Then right here, you have 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 cups of flour, a fourth cup of sugar, and one 12-ounce can of Sprite. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, also 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, let's get started. So, what you want to do is you want to mix in all of your dry ingredients and your soda and oopsies. Little mess this time. Kind of get it all around. If you have any leftover in your bowl, tap that in. Then you want to add your sugar. But also make sure your flour is sifted. It'll come out better. You want to add in your baking powder and your salt. But what I like to do is I like to just combine these first, and just to get it all for the flour mixture. And then, now that I've done that, I'll add in my Sprite, a bit at a time. Just to get it all good and tasty, get it everywhere. Add in the rest of it. It's very bubbly. Okay, well, I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna pause my recording of it until I'm done mixing so I can put it right in the oven and show you. Hey, back again. Okay, I just finished mixing, and as you can see, it should look like a good dough. And it is okay if it is sticky. It is supposed to be pretty sticky. Now I'm just gonna stop talking. Okay. Now putting it in. Sorry. Don't worry, it is supposed to be kind of heavy, over a pound, because you're putting in a bunch of flour and ingredients. Pause it one more time so that I can get this in, and this video is less than 15 minutes. Okay, so I have gotten it in. You have preheated your oven to 375 degrees on bake. Then you let it preheat all the way, or else it will not cook right. And throw this in the oven. And when I made it last time, I put it in for 30, and it wasn't quite done, so I put it in for another 10 minutes, and boom, so 30 plus 10 equals 40. 40 minutes we are. And that's it for the video. Okay guys, remember, stay happy and stay cool. See ya.